Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? Today we are going to discuss grade 4 science, block number 2 and topic number 3. Now, it's a humble request to my parents that please do not tell the answer to your child directly. Let them think, उनको सोचने का मौका दीजिए. Now, my question is, students, do you have pet at your home? Maybe someone are having and someone are not having. I don't have. Okay. Can you name some pet animals? Dog? A cat? A rabbit? Yes. Someone used to keep the parrot. Wow. And the fish also. Okay. Now, in the villages, the people used to keep domestic animals. Can you name some domestic animals? Okay, buffalo, cow, goat, sheep, horse, hen, and so many others. Now, my question is that what do you give to your pets for eating? Chapati, milk, or the vegetable? Okay, what about the buffaloes and the cows? The grass? Okay, the grass. Yes, today we are going to see how the animals depends on the plants. Like the chapati, we used to prepare it from the flour, and the flour we used to get from wheat. Yes, so we are going to discuss our topic number 3. Done. Topic number 3 is animals depend on plants. And the aim on this will be the state ways in which animals depend on plants. यानी हम वो तरीके बताएंगे, वो चीजें बताएंगे कि जिसकी वजह से जो animals है वो plants के ऊपर depend करती है. Students, have you heard about the African elephant? They are the biggest land animals. Yes. The grass in Africa is known as elephant grass. Do you know? And these grass are 4.5 meter tall, near about this. And do you know, the elephants can easily hide in it. But let me know why the animals, why the elephant used to hide inside these grass. Is there any reason? It is the biggest animal and still the elephants are hiding under these grass. So, and what is the use of that grass for the elephant? Can you tell me? Okay. So today we will do one activity for finding out how the plants are useful for animals. Means how the animal depends on the plants. So now what you have to do, you have to think and then you have to write in a notebook that how the plants are useful for animals. Means how the animal depends on the plants. You have to write in your notebook. And respected parents, प्लीज अपने बच्चों की ये एक्टिविटी करने में हेल्प कीजिए कि कैसे जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनको प्लांट्स की कैसे जरूरत है, क्यों उनको प्लांट्स चाहिए, क्या उनको चाहिए प्लांट्स से. प्लीज डू द एक्टिविटी एज शोन इन द पिक्चर. Before showing the activity which I have done, I want to tell you one amazing fact regarding an elephant. Do you know? Elephant is the only animal that cannot jump. Just have a look. I have done the activity. The ways in which animals depend on plants are, first way is the food. For the food, the animal used to depend on the plants. Next, for shelter. Next, for oxygen. For hiding themselves. for resting and for making house. After doing the activity, let's move towards the questioning part. So my first question is, what are the ways in which animals depend on plants? Give examples. Animals depend on plants for food. They eat many parts of plants. Rabbit eat carrot and a butterfly suck nectar from flowers. Just see how rabbit is eating a carrot. A giraffe eating tall tree leaves. An elephant eating sugarcane. Honeybee sucking nectar from the flower. A monkey eating bananas. A panda eating bamboo leaves. The next point is plants give shelter to animals both from weather and from predators. Means plants जो होती है वो animals को bad weather से बचाता है और जो predator मतलब जो शिकारी पशु होते हैं उनसे भी बचाता है. Just have a look, see how the antelope is hiding itself behind the tree. Just see how the pride of a lion is sitting and taking rest under the shade of a tree. The leopard is sitting and taking rest on the branches of a tree. Just see lion, how he is resting on the tree. Plants provide building material like leaves and twigs for making nests. See how a bird is making its nest with the help of twigs. It's a weaver bird. Now just have a look how a bird has made its nest inside the cactus plant. Plants give oxygen to animals to breathe. Plants also help animals to get water as they play a major role in the rainfall. My next question is, can animals survive without plants? Animals may not be able to survive without plants because they need plants in so many ways. The third question is, what would happen if too many trees are cut or houses are made in open? Many trees are getting cut because people need many things from the trees. Because of this, animals are not getting food to eat and they are losing their shelter. Many animals run towards cities for food and shelter, and many animals can die in search of food and shelter. The next question is, do plants also depend on animals? How? Plants also depend on animals. Animals give them carbon dioxide to make food. They help to carry seeds from one place to another. They give manure, yani khad, to plants. Students, please read page number 10 of content book. Respected parents, please help your child in doing the S3 of page number 16. The question number 1, imagine that you are a squirrel, yani गिलहरी हो suppose आप एक. Write a paragraph that states how important plants are for you, for your survival. मीन्स आपने अपने आप को एक गिलहरी मानना है और आपने एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है कि कैसे आपके लिए प्लांट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जीने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड, राइट 4 sentences टू स्टेट हाउ एनिमल्स डिपेंड ऑन प्लांट्स. आपने लिखना है कि कैसे एनिमल्स प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड है. 4 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, प्लांट्स ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन एनिमल्स. डू यू एग्री? गिव रीजन कि प्लांट्स भी एनिमल पे डिपेंड होते हैं. क्या आप मानते हो? अगर मानते हो तो उसका रीजन लिखिए. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 of practice question, page 12 in notebook. Question number 7 is, How do animals depend on plants? So let's sum up what we have done today. Animal need plants, as you all have read today. The first thing is that for shelter, as you know that animals needs the home to live. Some animals live under the tall trees like elephants, the like zebra or the giraffe, and some animal lives on the trees like monkeys, the snakes. Next, for building homes, as you all have seen that the birds use the things that are made up of plants for making the nest. Some animal lives in the holes of the tree trunk. Next, for hiding, animals need the trees or the plants for hiding themselves from the predators जो जंगली जानवर उनको खाते हैं उनसे बचने के लिए they have to hide under the grass, near the grass or under the trees. Next, the food. Next is the food. As you know that all the animals, those who are herbivores, they need the food, and the omnivores also need the food for survival. Next is the oxygen. As we all used to get the oxygen from the plants, so animals also need the oxygen to live. And for resting, as whenever they feel tired, they used to rest under the trees. Before saying bye, there is one more amazing fact regarding rhinoceros. Do you know rhino have a horn on his nose? उसके नाक पे एक सींग होता है और तुम्हें पता है वो किस चीज से बना हुआ है? That is made up of hair. बाल से बना हुआ है, बाल से. Isn't it good? Thank you and have a nice day.